this video I'll be showing you how to make use of Lottie files. So what's a Lottie file? Lottie files are animated icons, animated images, animated objects, right, that are used for your design. So how do you access that? Go over to your plugin, okay, your bottom right, come to plugin and widgets, search for Lottie, Lotties. Right, so you see right here Lottie files, right? Click on it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to search for, okay, so when it opens, right, you go ahead and create an account with your Gmail. All right, if you are a new user, but if you already have an account, just log in with your Gmail, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to discover right here, okay? So you see free animations, premium animations. These premium animations are paid animations, right? But it's free. Of course, the word free is free, right? So I'll go over. I want to search for a loading animation, because when I tap on this login, I want it to load right here. So I'll come over here and search for loading, okay? Loading like this. So I'll give it time to open, and you're going to see tons of animations when it opens. So you can see right here. So you go ahead and select the one you want. So I think I like this one. I'll select this one right here, okay? Then you can come over here, right? You can come over here and increase the speed, okay? Now it's a 1x. When I do 2x, right, you see how fast it is loading, right? 0.5, very slow. So I think 1x is okay, right? Then you can see this color right here. You can come over here and select the color you want, okay? You can come over here and select the color you want, the color palette that you want, right? Anyone you want to use that will actually match your design. All right, that will actually match your design. Okay, so I think I want to do this. Let me do this, right? Or better still, I can come and sample color, right? I can come here and tap new palette, right, and select any color of my choice and update, okay? I can just play around with these colors right here. All right, so after doing this, I'll tap on insert this GIF, right? Tap on insert GIF, leave it in medium, so insert GIF like this. So you can see it's converting to GIF. So it's going to appear inside your frame here, inside your design frame here, okay? So where is it? It's still inserting, right? Okay, it has inserted, so here it is, right? So I'll go ahead and tap on K on my keyboard, K for K2, just to scale it, right? So I want to scale it all the way down. So that is it right there. So then I'll go ahead and duplicate this artboard here, okay? Let me close this. I'll duplicate this artboard here, Ctrl D. All right, then watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete this login text here, right? Delete. Then I'll drag this my Lottie that I inserted, drag it inside this frame, okay? Then I'll select, with the Lottie selected, I'll select this frame here and tap on this my alignment to align horizontal center, right? So that it will be in the center, okay? So by the time I preview this, what was going to happen? Let me preview this on this page. Sorry, preview this page. Right, you see how it is loading right here, okay? But now let me shift it up a little bit, okay? So I'm going to pull it up a little bit like this, then go ahead and preview again. It is still down, right? So I'll pull it up again, okay? So I'm going to pull it up again like this. Then I'm going to preview. Okay, so now it's in the middle, right? Cool. So here is what we're going to do. By the time we click on login here, right, it's going to take us to this page where it's going to load, right? So I'll go to prototype this my login shape here to this page. All right, then it's going to be on my trigger is going to be on tab, navigate to then instant, right? Cool. So let me preview, so we'll see that. Preview this. So by the time I tap on login, you see how it is loading right here. Okay, then once it is loading, what we are going to do to go to the main page, okay, once it is here, we are going to do after delay, right? So we'll tap on this entire artboard here. Okay, tap on this entire artboard here and prototype this. Okay, prototype this to this page. All right, but then our trigger is going to be on after delay. All right, we're still going to leave it on instant, right? We're going to leave this on instant. Then our delay can be, let me do 500 milliseconds. All right, so let's preview this again and see if our timing is accurate, if it's correct. So I want to do login now, right? So that was too fast. Okay, that was too fast, guys. So here it is. Let me come back here and increase my timing. Let me do 1200 milliseconds so you can give it time to load. Okay, so let me come back and preview. Now login. Well, you can see it's loading, right? So that was quite fast, but let's just give it more time to load. So we'll assume that the network isn't that fast, or just giving time to fetch your data, right? To fetch the user's data. So let me do 2000 milliseconds. All right, so let me go back and preview this. So login. All right, great. You see how it is loading right there, right? You see how this Lottie is loading. So we don't need to tap anything for it to come to our home page, right? So login, loading, see it turning, right? So that is how to add Lottie files, right, in your design. So you can go ahead and search for multiple Lottie files that you want to design. Okay, search for them, the one that will match the particular project you are working on. Okay, let me go ahead and preview it again here for us to see. All right,